So I'm back again. Now it's 4 o'clock. I have some water on the lens. I'm very tired, and it was very hard because I had to work. It's Saturday. Normally I work 8 hours, and after this I go on the mountain, and I think this is a really challenge. Now I go and drink some milk, and then I think I go to get a rest at my bed for some hours. But after then I take a shower.